What's up guys, Cameron here, doing a watermelon Gfuel taste test. We got our X Games bundle, that's what this came with. So our lime green shaker cup, blacked out. So we got our water up to 12 in here with a couple ice cubes. Let's open this up. Got a little trusty fillet knife. Those always help out. Alright. So again, they have the pullable lid, which helps out. Pull that open. Get some Gfuel everywhere. You can sort of smell it, but it's not really a huge smell like the phase berry. Let's dump all this Gfuel out like last time. Alright, so again, the lid you can take off or keep it on. I think I'm going to keep it on this one because I took it off the other one. So I'll just take it off like this so I can pour my Gfuel in. Let's try this. This is the correct amount that you want to have. You don't want it up that high because that's too much. That'll just waste your Gfuel. So let's put it in and try this out. So you guys really can't see, but I can. It's a pink color. It smells really good. Let's shake this off. Make sure everything's tight so nothing spills. Let's shake. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Smells so good too. So let's try this out. Cheers. Pretty good. I personally like phaseberry more, but this isn't bad. I could use a little bit of a shake up again. Tasted some powder in there, which isn't the best taste. Yeah. Well, tastes like watermelon. Overall, it's pretty good. I would recommend this. I enjoy it. So, we'll see you next time.